Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is August monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Leo. Queen of Swords. I think you are very straightforward in nature. So, Leo. Queen of Swords and Eight of Wands with Ace of Wands, and there is lots of communication is coming towards you, and someone has a lot of passion for you. They want passionate new beginnings with you. For some, those who are in relationship, they want to take this relationship to next level, but there is lots of communication is coming towards you, Leo. So let's see your reading. I'm seeing you have options here. Firstly, you have two persons in your life. One could be past and one other could be new. There are options. You have options to choose, Leo. So recent past, King of Cups, Eight of Swords and Knight of Pentacles. So you are stuck in past. You have to choose one person between two, but you don't know which decision you have to make. That's why you're feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy and Knight of Pentacles and King of Cups. One person is coming back. Now they are very serious, and one person have so much love for you, King of Cups. So two persons coming towards you, to be frank. For some it could be only one person, but most of you, I think you have options. So that's why you don't know which decision you have to make. You feeling stuck because you are in confusion. You don't know which decision you have to make. Then present Nine of Pentacles, King of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. But you focused on your career, on your abundance, on your self-growth, and you will achieve this financial stability in near future. And King of Pentacles, you are more concentrating on your financial, especially, and you are getting a lot of abundance, Ace of Pentacles. So present, you or more concentrating on your career and finances. Then future, Seven of Wands, the World and Queen of Swords. So some cycles are going to be ending between you and your person, and you are very defensive towards anything. Maybe you are passionately doing your work and you are protecting your emotions, what I'm getting here, because Seven of Wands, defensive mode. You are in very defensive mode. And Queen of Swords is here. Yes, you stand by your power. So you deserve best, you want best. So those who will offer the best, I think you will give chance to them because you want best. So you want to give clarity. So most of you have options. So if you don't have options, then someone is coming back to you. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Fire sign, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But lot of earth energy is here. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Death. Yeah, for some there is ending between you and your person. For some, no contact situation. So Leo, let's see your person feelings towards you. Princess of Wands. Maybe one person is younger than the other person in this connection. So without you, they're undergoing tower movement right now because the tower with Nine of Swords. They're missing you. They're thinking about you a lot. And they're in anxiety and depression type of energy without you. Leo, and Knight of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back, but it is very slow moving energy. They realize you both. So let's see their actions towards you. So Leo, your person actions towards you. Ten of Swords, Six of Cups, Six of Swords, and Queen of Swords. I think your person may be juggling right now. They are juggling between their head over heart because they're in this pain. The Tower moment with Ten of Swords. They're in so much pain. Still, they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. They want rebirth in this connection. Maybe some communication is coming towards you. They want to fix the things between both of you. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different countries, states, or cities. So, they want reconciliation. They still want rebirth in this connection. That's why they want to fix the things between both of you. And Queen of Swords energy, maybe they want to give clarity to you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Lord of Air energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Water energy. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Nine of Cups, Knight of Swords. Yeah, communication is coming and they're wishing for this connection. They're wishing for reconciliation. Yeah, maybe in past they treated you as an option, but you are very caring and giving person. But this time the decision is in your hands totally, Leo. So in past they treated you as an option, but now they realize you both, they're coming back. But it's totally up to you because you are very giving person, caring person, and emotional person. Yeah, if you let them in, the reconciliation will happen. Otherwise it doesn't happen. Yeah, for some there is ending between both of you. You decided to end the things with this person because the Hermit, I think you both are in no contact situation or in separation. The Hermit, spiritually awakening. Yeah, they're thinking about you. They want reconciliation, but if reconciliation is happen only if you let them in. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also. So let's see your overall energy, Leo. I think you both are undergoing some transformation also. Death card is here. So yeah, three of Pentacles. Maybe they now realize you both. Now they're coming back to work on this relationship. For some, this is mutual love. Yeah, they're fantasizing about you. They're dreaming about you. And you're also thinking about them. Reconciliation is coming. For some, for sure, there will be reconciliation. But it will take some time. So let's see your person overall energy, Leo. Yeah, they're fantasizing about you. Maybe they're in some confusion. Communication clarity is coming. There are a lot of things between both of you going. And yeah, they won't give up on you. They can't let you go. Let's see some messages from your person and options. Family issues. Text is coming. Yes, communication is coming. You are pure perfection. I have too much going on my life. So they have too much going on their life and they realize their mistake. Yeah. So the messages are text is coming. For some family issues. For some your person have options. It could be you. You also have options. They have too much going on their life and you are my pure perfection message from them. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. a new romantic cycle begins. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation and a new cycle will begin between both of you in near future. So if you let them in, definitely there will be reconciliation. It totally up to you, Leo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.